Chefs, kitchen managers, here is how a price increase of a single ingredient can flow through your base and core recipes right to your final plate. I've laid out a very traditional sauce production, starting with in-house beef stock. And, honestly, I'm not sure how many top-level kitchens do their demi this way anymore, but Escoffier would be very proud. This is what the production of this looks like in the FoodCostChef calculator. Beef stock, which is a base recipe, of course, $1.70 a liter. That's an ingredient in the espagnole, the brown sauce. The cost here comes to $3.95 a liter. Then that goes into your demi, which after proper reduction comes to $5.65 per liter. By the way, you can make these gallons, ounces, quarts, whatever you normally work with. Then into your peppercorn brandy sauce, which comes out to $16.04 per liter. Wow, brandy and green peppercorns are not cheap. Now for the fifth step, when all of these come together, this is what we're making here, a classic bistro plate. Your total food cost comes together in the plates feature of the FoodCostChef calculator. You combine recipes and ingredients to make the actual plate that goes through the pass to your customer. So the plate costs $16.77, which includes that peppercorn sauce. While you're here, take a look at the house-cut fries recipe. It includes 1 serving of fryer oil. You can check out this other video I made to see how the FoodCostChef calculator does the math for that. It's kind of interesting. Okay, so we've got all these connecting recipes, but let's go all the way back to the beef bones, because right now I get an amazing deal at a local grocery store because I know the butcher there. But let's say something like a pandemic comes around again and beef bones shoot up to $5 a pound. We all know now that these things can happen. My beef stock has tripled in price to $6.11 a liter. Espagnole goes up to $9.46 a liter. The demi, yikes, $15.50 per liter. And look at the food cost of this peppercorn sauce. Between the peppercorns, the brandy, and the demi, wow, $23 a liter. We're not going to be handing out free sides of this, let me tell you that. Looking at the plate cost though, it does taper off because we only use 60 milliliters in the recipe, but the food cost still goes up 50 cents. Now, this is a high food cost item, but it could also be one of those very handsome contribution margin menu items. So you'll want to run this through a menu engineering matrix before making any changes, because you're making $20 to $30 a plate here. I just so happen to have a free menu engineering template for you to do just that. Look for the link in this video or in the comments. So now you can see how the FoodCostChef calculator adjusts your costs through cascading math right down to your finished plate when the cost of an ingredient changes. I'm Chef Marty, and I designed food cost software to get you out of your food cost misery. Chefs, kitchen managers, have a good day, and remember, it's only good food if the math works.